Hello viewers.
Today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Products how to fix that this app from Play Store not working. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. This is problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my step by step. Click on Play Store and tap and hold. Click on app information. Click on storage and clear cache. Clear cache and clear storage. Click on permission. All permission, all allow. And open Play Store. So finally problem solved. Thank you.